Hi, my name is Tyra and today I'll be doing an experiment on bleach versus chlorine and their effectiveness as a cleaner. Here we have 3 stains made by Primo pizza sauce, French's classic yellow mustard, and VH soy sauce. We'll be applying a small amount of chlorine bleach and white vinegar to each of the stains, and then they will be rubbed with the white cloth and examined. First we're going to start with the Clorox, the chlorine bleach, and add it to each of the stains. Now each will be rubbed with the cloth. As you can see, the bleach is very effective when cleaning out common household stains, though it did not completely clean it out. Next we're going to go with the white vinegar and apply a small amount to each stain, and they will be rubbed again with the white cloth. As you can see, the bleach cleaned the stains much better than the vinegar, with the drawback of the strong odor and the environmental unfriendliness. However, it is still good to have both of the cleaners, using vinegar with the smaller and more common occurrences, and bleach for the more demanding messes. Thank you.